BNSS 2023 Section 337 subsection 1. A person who has once been tried by a court of competent jurisdiction for an offence and convicted or acquitted of such offence shall, while such conviction or acquittal remain in force, not be liable to be tried again for the same offence nor on the same fact for any other offence for which a different charge from the one made against him might have been made under subsection 1 of 244, or for which he might have been convicted under subsection 2 thereof, and subsection 2 of 337. A person acquitted or convicted of any offence may be afterward tried with the consent of the state government for any distinct offence for which a separate charge might have been made against him at the former trial under subsection 1 of section 243, and subsection 337 section. A person convicted of any offence constituted by an act causing consequences which, together with such act, constituted a different offence from that of which he was convicted, may be afterward tried for such last mentioned offence if the consequences had not happened or were not known to the court to have happened at the time when he was convicted. A person acquitted or convicted of any offence constituted by an act may, notwithstanding such acquittal or conviction, be subsequently charged with any trial for any other offence constituted by the same act which he may have committed, if the court be which he was first tried was not competent to try the offence with he is subsequently charged. Subsection 5 of this section. A person discharged under the section 281 shall not be tried again for the same offence except with the consent of the court by which he was discharged, or of any other court to which the first mentioned court is subordinate. Subsection 6. Nothing in this section shall affect the provisions of the section 26 of the General Clauses Act 1897 or of section 208 of this Sanhita. Explanation. The dismissal of a complaint or the discharge of the accused is not an acquittal for the purpose of this section. Illustration. A is tried upon a charge of theft as a servant and acquitted. He cannot afterward, while the acquittal remain in force, be charged with theft as a servant, or upon the same fact with theft simply, or with criminal breach of trust. B. A is tried for causing grievous hurt and convicted. The person injured afterward died. A may be tried again for culpable homicide. Example 6. C. A is charged before the Court of Sessions and convicted of the culpable homicide. of B. A may not afterward be tried on the same fact for the murder of B. D. A charge by a magistrate of the first class with and convicted by him of voluntarily causing hurt to B. A may not afterward be tried for voluntary causing grievous hurt to B on the same fact unless the case come within subsection 3 of this section. E. A is charged by a magistrate of the second class with and convicted by him of theft of property from the person of B. A may subsequently be charged with and tried for robbery on the same fact. If A, B, and C are charged by a magistrate of the first class with a convicted by him of robbing D. A, B, and C may be afterward be charged with and tried for dacoity on the same fact. Thank you.